what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon promo codes. These promo codes for Amazon are by far the best that I've discovered. They're going to save you a ton of money, at least $100, and this is a simple discount code that you can apply in the basket, and it's just going to remove $100 off your order or whatever that is in your local currency. I'm going to be recording the tutorial, so let me flip this camera around and I'm going to show you how to get your Amazon promo codes now. Enjoy.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and you can probably already tell what this video is about by simply the title and description. However, this video is basically the best Amazon promo code in 2023. You can hear I'm from the UK, but this will work worldwide. So if you're in the US, this works exceptionally well. Personally, I know thousands of people that have used this code. And basically this will reduce your Amazon order by $100. Now, obviously, I'm saying dollars, but it will be whatever your local currency is. And you simply enter this code at checkout, and it's going to reduce your order by $100. So, without wasting any more time, let me show you where you have to go to get your very own Amazon promo code. Open up the internet. I'm using an iPhone and Safari, but you can use any combination of device you wish. And you've got to go to www.giftcardhero.net. Now, when you reach this website, you're going to be greeted by this homepage, which has a bunch of stuff on it. Obviously, we need to look for the Amazon promo code page. So to do that, just press this green square button that says menu. And there is a search function built in. So let's type in Amazon. Scroll down, and here we go, Amazon promo codes 2023. So like I say, this has been used a ton of times by people worldwide, and $100 off your order for Amazon. And this has been verified today, which basically means someone has used this code today, so it's verified working. So let's get the code. Press this button. Now there is a verification step. This takes a couple of minutes, but I'm sure we can all agree it's well worth it to get the code. So all we have to do, guys, is complete 2 of the free offers below, making sure you follow the steps. And this verifies you are not a robot. So you can see I've got a list of offers here, which are surveys and apps. So I'm going to complete 2 surveys because I personally find surveys easier. They're pretty quick as well. So see, I'm just going to answer questions. And I'm going to input my email address. So give me 2 minutes, guys, and I'm going to do 2 of these. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. I actually just finished 2 of these following the steps, and it's pretty easy. So you just got to make sure you carefully do this, because as you can see here at the bottom, it says you'll receive your Amazon codes once completed. So if you've done this correctly, when you return to Gift Card Hero, you're going to see this page again. Scroll back down to where we saw that button, and it's now revealed the code. These codes are unique and personal to you. So for example, this code is going to be invalid because I'm going to use this in a minute. So you got to get your very own code, guys. So go to giftcardhero.net, and I think you can all agree it's pretty easy to get your code. And once you get it, simply enter it into your basket or at checkout, like you do with any other promo code, and it's going to reduce $100 from your order. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.